Hi everybody, today I wanted to show you how to do the weave fish, and I have a little helper here. So this is Miss Maureen talking about this craft. So Kim here has a strip of colorful paper that she's going to put into the fish that we've already cut slats into it, and you will see how she's weaving it up and then down and up and then down. And when she's done getting the piece where she wants it, she's going to put a little dab of glue to keep it from slipping away. And then when she's done gluing, to finish off, she'll trim any excess paper she needs to finish it off. Now the thing about the weaving is then the next strip will go the opposite. So if you went down for your strip, this time you're going to go up so that the material cannot be seen in the next spot. And that's how you weave it. Your finished product will look like this fishy here. And the other thing you can do with your fishy is you could decorate it if you wanted to make it more colorful. And that is how we do the weave for our weave fishy. Okay? All right, take care. Bye.